What's up guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today's kind of a special unboxing because if anybody knows anything about what's going on in this world, AV receivers are tough to get. So today we're doing the Marantz SR8015, and this big bad boy definitely has some weight to it with a lot of features. This is packed full of inputs and outputs, lots of power. Matter of fact, we're talking it's 11.1 channel receiver with 140 watts per channel at 8 ohms. This thing has a ton of new features. So without further ado, let's go what's in the box. As always, you get this awesome cardboard mic stand, so when you do the calibration with the Odyssey mic that it comes with, obviously a power cord, the standard Marantz handheld remote control to go through all your settings. And then one thing I do like about Marantz, it actually gives you a nice, I don't know if you can see that guys, but a nice sleeve full of labels, so you can easily label all your wires if you so happen not to have a label gun, label maker for all your wires, so you can mark actually what your front left, front right, center, subwoofer, and all your input. So pretty cool. So without further ado, I want to bring the camera a little closer guys so you can actually see the back, but the front, you got your standard look that they've had for quite some time. You got your two big volume controls. I still like the old school big dial right here, and then you have these little tabs at the front, so gives you access to the display and navigate that way. So pretty slick. So without further ado, I'm going to turn this puppy around and show you guys the back and go over some of the features. All right guys, so now we have the back of the unit here, and so let's quickly go over some of the specs. Again, it's 140 watts per channel, 11.2 channel, excuse me, I think I said 11.1 earlier, 11.2 channel. It's got 3D audio, HEOS, and voice control built in, so for those that use Josh.ai, that is built in, super cool. This is an 8K with one dedicated input for 8K. So as you look on the back of this unit, you got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of regular HDMI inputs. Now this is or does support the latest HDCP 2.3. All these are signable. And then your 7th input is your dedicated 8K in. Now this gives you also 3 outputs with a dedicated 4K output for zone 2, and then mirroring outputs with eARC on the main. So super cool. Now the 8K is upscaling on all inputs. The 8K is at 60 Hertz or 4K for 120 Hertz pass through. So pretty nice. Now this does have the latest audio formats, which is Dolby Atmos height virtualization technology, DTSX, DTS Virtual X, DTSX Pro, and then IMAX Enhanced. So super cool. This has all the latest and greatest when it comes to the audio and video formats. So let's go over a few more things on the back of this. You got your network. You got your Bluetooth Wi-Fi antennas. You got your power over here, and then working from left, got your AM/FM antennas here. You have your ground for your phono. So again guys, for those that want some nice sound with a nice 2-channel setup with a good turntable, does have phono input. And then of course you have your analog audio ins. Looks like it gives you 6 of those, very nice. And then of course you have your pre-outs for your surround, front, left, and right, and zone 2 and zone 3. So you do have the 2 coax digitals and 2 optical digitals. For control, you still have RS-232C available, and then these are all nice and laid out. All your speakers terminals, so you could use bare wire or bananas. All gold plates, super nice going across there. Nice spacing. Now, I am actually surprised. I guess your higher end receivers are still carrying component video. So you actually do have 3 component video inputs with 1 component output. So for I guess much older gear, if you still have component, there you go. So super cool, guys. Can't wait to get this bad boy installed. Again, it's very rare to get in AV receivers right now with everything going on. So it's figured we'd do a quick unboxing for you guys. Hey guys, hope you liked the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you guys get notified every time we do a video. And give us a like. We want to keep this short and sweet, but we wanted to show you some of the latest, greatest when it came to Marantz on their AV receivers. So anyone looking for a nice high-end receiver to enhance the sound for their room, this is a great option, guys. So until next time, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.